The Indian Navy's third domestically manufactured Scorpene-class submarine launched Wednesday cannot compare for quality and quantity with a rapidly upgrading Chinese Navy, Chinese experts said Thursday. The Indian Navy launched Karanj from Mazagaon dock in Mumbai on Wednesday, Indian channel ndtv.com reported. India developed the Scorpene-class submarines to replace its old Kilo-class submarines, Zhongping, a TV commentator and military expert, told the Global Times. Scorpene-class submarines are conventional-powered submarines, which were made by the French, Song said. India plans to enhance its defense capabilities by importing technology and building more such submarines, Song said. Scorpene class can be equipped with an air independence propulsion system, he said, ensuring continuous submergence. They can also carry torpedoes and exocet guided missiles. Scorpene submarines have sophisticated stealth features and the ability to launch crippling, precise attacks, NDTV.com reported. The report added that at a time when the Indian Navy submarine fleet is aging fast and against the backdrop of a Chinese naval presence in the Indian Ocean, the Scorpene submarines significantly boost the Indian Navy's potential fighting ability. But China has left India behind in constructing submarines and naval power, Song said. China's high-tech ships, whether Type 052D, Type 052C destroyers, Type 054A frigate or Type 056 corvette, are multiplying fast, Song said, showcasing the rising strength of the Chinese Navy.